This is the second part of motion tracking in Blender. The first step is going into the movie clip editor and opening up your image sequence from the last part, and you are going to need to retrack all of the markers to add masks to them. You do not need to resolve the camera motion. Now to start adding the masks, you can either hit the tracking menu on the top left and select mask, or hit tab and it will bring you into the masking workspace. To add in a mask, click add mask or hit shift A and move the mask over to the tracker you already have selected and hit Control P to parent the tracker to the mask. Once you parent the mask to the tracker, you can hit play and see the mask following the tracker. Go to the Compositing workspace and click Use Nodes. Delete the Render Layers node and add in a Image node. Select the image sequence from before and click Cycle. Add in a alpha over node and a translate node. And for the factor, put in a mask node. If you move the X and Y values on the translate node, it will move the marker. Now back in the compositor, you need to click New Mask and name the mask to whatever you want and do the exact same steps. You will need to do this to every marker. Once you're done with all the markers, you need to render out the video as a image sequence again. Now to set up the compositing settings in the original scene. Replace the old video with the markerless version. You can delete the undistortion node and the scale node and one of the render layers nodes. Put the video on the top socket of the alpha over node and the render layers on the bottom socket of the node, and you can render it out. If you want it to render faster, you can either render in Eevee or turn the samples down. And here is the final render.